This is how you delete text messages for everyone in the message thread. This only works if you're using iMessage. If you're sending from an iPhone to an Android phone, you're going to have the green bubbles. That's not going to work in this case. Here's an example. So if we send a text message, right after I send it, I can tap and hold and choose send as text message. This will send it as an SMS. And here we see this message is green, which means it's an SMS. It's the same as sending from an iPhone to an Android. We can tap and hold on it, and we can choose more, and then we can delete it, but it will only delete it from our phone. It won't delete it from their phone, because that's just the nature of SMS text messages. iPhone has a fancy feature though where you can undo the sending of messages or edit them even. So I'm going to type a message here, say hi. That's now sent in the blue bubble, so it's iMessage. If I tap and hold this, if it's under 2 minutes since I sent it, I can tap on undo send. And now both those messages are gone. If I try that again, let's just say hi again. I can also tap and hold, and within 15 minutes, I can use the edit feature. So I can say whatever I want. I can change it to, hi, how are you? Tap this little check mark, and now it's going to be updated. I don't know if it's going to work for sending from me to me, but it shows down here it's edited, and it'll be edited on their end as well. So just to cover your options again, you can undo send within 2 minutes of sending your message. You can edit your message within 15 minutes of sending your message. If it's been more than 15 and your message is super embarrassing and you want to do a Hail Mary and try to have them not read it because you can't unsend it, you can't delete it, especially if it's an SMS message, a regular text from an iPhone to an Android, there's one last ditch thing you can try. You can type in something, whatever, hit the enter button a heck ton of times, and then type in another message. And it's going to show up as super weird, this super long message. And people can still scroll up and find the proper message up here. But if they see the message down here, they might think, oh, something weird happened. They pressed enter too many times before they sent it. They didn't mean to do that. And so they might not even scroll up. They might not see the embarrassing message that you sent. So hopefully one of these 3 ways helps you fix whatever message that you sent. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. And then lock down the privacy of your phone. To do that, check out the video on your screen right now where I walk you through how to do that, and I'll see you there.